A 7-second eye hack that claims to fix your vision? Yeah, my brain just quit its job. Retina Clear promises to improve eye circulation, clear the retina, and restore vision using what they call a simple daily routine. Their website is packed with bold claims about dramatic vision improvements and life-changing results. But here's where things get cosmically ridiculous. The ingredients aren't terrible. Lutein, zeaxanthin, bilberry extract, and zinc are legitimate nutrients for eye health. You know what else contains these exact compounds? A decent multivitamin that costs $15 instead of $69 per month. But Retina Clear wraps standard supplements in maximum chaos marketing. Their testimonials read like vision miracle stories. A musician who can suddenly read sheet music again, someone who gave up reading for years but now enjoys books for hours. Sounds inspiring. Until you realize there's zero scientific evidence that this specific formula produces those dramatic results. The real kicker? They're charging premium prices for bog-standard eye vitamins. $69 for a month's supply of ingredients you can get elsewhere for a fraction of the cost. The exact same nutrients, just packaged with weapons-grade marketing theater. What's particularly ridiculous is the 7-second timeline. Even coffee takes longer to kick in than their promised vision transformation. Nutritional supplements work over weeks or months, not seconds. It's like claiming your sandwich cures cancer because it contains antioxidants. Multiple scam watch sites have flagged their advertising tactics as manipulative, using emotional appeals and unrealistic promises to pressure sales. The classic playbook of preying on hope and desperation. Look, eye health supplements aren't inherently evil. Quality brands like Ocuvite contain similar ingredients with actual research backing, but they don't promise instant miracles or 7-second transformations. Retina Clear's business model revolves around overpricing standard ingredients with theatrical marketing. Save your money and your sanity. If you want eye support, talk to an actual eye doctor.